How to play Ludo on Messenger on Android. This tutorial shows you how to start a game and invite your friends to join. First, open the Messenger app on your Android device. From there, tap on any chat you want to start the game from. After that, tap the plus icon next to the text field to open the attachments menu. At this point, tap Games from the list of options. Following this, a screen will appear showing available games. Scroll through and find Ludo, then tap on it. From here, you may be asked about your sharing preference. This just means your friends will be able to see when you're active in the game. After that, the game will load and you'll be given a room code. Copy that code so you can share it with whoever you want to invite. At this stage, if you don't have enough players, you can add AI to fill out the empty slots so the game can still run. Following this, tap Invite to bring your friends into the room. Finally, if your friends have already played Ludo on Messenger before, the game will show up on their end, and you can invite them in directly. That's how you start a Ludo game on Messenger on Android. If this was helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more Android tutorials, and hit the bell so you never miss one. Catch you in the next one.